In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a PDF file using Gmail. Sending PDFs via email is a simple and effective way to share documents, whether you're dealing with personal, academic, or work-related matters. Today, we're going to break down this process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently attach and send PDFs through Gmail. First, make sure you have your PDF file ready and saved in an easily accessible location on your computer. It could be on your desktop or in a Documents folder. Having it at hand will speed things up as you go through the email process. Now, let's move on to opening your web browser and navigating to Gmail's website. Once you've reached the Gmail login page, input your email address and password to access your Gmail account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be sure to complete that step to proceed securely. With your Gmail inbox open, locate and click on the Compose button. This is usually found in the upper left corner of your screen. A new email window will pop up, ready for you to fill in the necessary details. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. Ensure there are no typos, otherwise the email might not reach the intended person. Next, move to the Subject field. It's a good practice to include a clear and relevant subject line, such as Attached PDF Document, so the recipient knows exactly what to expect. Now, the main task is attaching your PDF file. Look for the paperclip icon, often located at the bottom of the Compose window. Click on it, which will prompt a File Explorer window to appear. Navigate to where you saved your PDF file, select it, and click Open or Choose File, depending on your operating system. The file will begin uploading, and you'll see it listed at the bottom of the email window once it's attached successfully. Before sending, you may want to add a brief message in the body of the email to provide some context. This helps the recipient understand the document's purpose or any actions they might need to take. Politeness or additional instructions are always appreciated in email communications. Once you've double-checked that everything looks right, the recipient's address, the subject line, and the attached file, go ahead and click the Send button. After pressing Send, look out for a confirmation message indicating your email was sent successfully. It's also a good idea to click on the Sent folder to verify that it was sent as expected. In conclusion, following these simple steps will allow you to send a PDF using Gmail swiftly and efficiently. It's all about being organized and systematic, ensuring each detail is completed accurately. I hope this guide helps you feel more comfortable with emailing PDF files. Thanks for watching.